Haley Robinson here at American Sentinel K9. So we're gonna look at a dog named Anvil that I'm thinking about selling and parting with. I really like this dog, and I don't even want to sell him, but he's just a small dog. And you know, I've got some males already that are not very big. You know, I don't really care for the giants, to be honest with you, but you know, he's smaller than I really need. He's probably only about 60 pounds. He's 7.5 months old. He'll be 8 months old on the 18th. So he's almost eight months old. So let's see what we can see if we can get any footage of him. So he loves attention. I'm gonna pull my pants down. All right, stop, buddy. Good. 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 Well-built dog. He's out of Reptar and Halo. He likes to bite the bicep. ASC's Anvil out of Reptar and Halo. Man, I really like this dog. I hate to get rid of it. He's not big. Like I said, he's probably only, 55 pounds right now. He may be 60. Good. Good. Well-built dog. He's out of Reptar and Halo. He likes to bite the bicep. He's obviously not going to bite me, being his master. He'll mouth me, but he's not going to bite. Come on, dude. Get in front so I can see you. And just a beautiful, beautiful pup. This is ASC's Anvil, American Sentinel K9, out of Reptar and Halo. You want to bite my bicep? Huh? Yeah. 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 So you can see he's small, but just a great personality, great drives, great athleticism, very well put together. I really don't need to get rid of him, tell you the truth, but I also really do. So I have a lot of cognitive dissonance over this individual because he's only missing one component. He's just not as big as I'd like, but he's bred extremely well and built extremely well, and his drives and nerves are perfect. So I don't know, maybe I'll keep him, but if the right home comes along, he's possibly available. Let me do a quick walkthrough. I haven't done one in a long time. There's Komodo. She's here for a breeding. We just bred her to Frankie Bump. There's Ranger. There's Banshee. We produced her off of Frankie and Komodo. So the breeding with Komodo up there is going to reproduce this. Very athletic. Here's Logan. He's another small male that I've had dilemmas with because he's not as big as I like, but double bred justice, had a scratch and jazz, and just a phenomenal dog. Here's Elsa. This is Scratch's sister. That's Anvil. That's Sadie. She's here for breeding with Frankie. This is a young dog named Jackknife, Pure Sorrel's pet. Here's Vlad. Vlad the Impaler. I'm thinking about breeding him with Lady Smith. I need to look at my camera. Y'all probably can't see him. So there's Vlad. Thinking about breeding him with Lady Smith. There's Jackknife. There's Sadie. right here. Here's Rosebud. That's Pumpkin. She's a pure Sorrels dog. So is Rosebud. That's Lady Smith. This is a Beast. One of the baddest bitches on the planet, in my opinion. She got a scratching on it. That's Bumper, Scratch's brother. Hey, buddy. Chill. There's Marbles. Marbles is out of Justice and Betty Crocker. We got the legend Scratch, just like his brother Bumper. And here we have Venom. Venom is out of Scratch and Widow. Hey, Venom. Hey, girl. This is, Patches. So we had Marbles back there. I get Marbles and Patches mixed up. Bred completely different. This is Vicious. Hey, Vicious. That's an athlete right there. I'm not sure if you saw Logan. I wasn't looking at my camera. So here's Logan. Catch y'all later.